Managing attendees can be a tiresome task, especially when you're doing everything manually. But with Eventin, it's incredibly easy as it supports a simple CRM hub. It gives you a centralized dashboard to manage all your attendees without the hassle of jumping between pages. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to effortlessly manage attendees for your events and keep everything organized and running smoothly. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. To get started, head over to the Settings page and click on the Attendee section. Make sure the Attendee registration option is enabled. Scroll down and set the required fields that need to be collected from each attendee. Now, move over to the Attendees section. Here, you'll see a complete list of everyone who's registered for your events. Whenever someone purchases a ticket, their information is automatically added to this list. Need to add someone manually? Click on the Add New Attendee button and fill in their details. Once added, the attendee will receive an email with their ticket information. They can then download their ticket and view all the event details. You can also edit an attendee's information at any time. And if you have a large list of attendees to upload, you can import them all in bulk with just a few clicks. Simply choose the event that you want to import the attendee list from, and then view them all, and import the list. Here it is. You have successfully imported the attendee list for your preferred event. Of course, if needed, you can also delete any attendee from the list. And that's it. That's how simple it is to manage attendees with Eventin. We hope this short tutorial helped you understand Eventin's attendee management feature better. We're always working to improve the user experience, and your feedback matters. Let us know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe and follow our social channels for more helpful content and updates. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.